What is up, you guys? This is Quentin at the Ultimate Car Guy. Today, I have some great stuff to show you. I've been making a lot of videos lately, and I'm seeing you guys are subscribing. Now, before I start this video, tell me why you subscribed, and I will try my best to actually provide that content for you guys. Whether it's for car reviews, Project CV7, the educational videos, just tell me, and I will definitely make it my priority to help you guys. I'm going to at least try to provide one video a week, depending on what topic you want. Now, on to the topic of this video. Now, if you guys remember last video, I was painting PlastiDip on my mirrors, and it actually turned out all right. It looks pretty good. Now, if you kind of glimpse of what that hood looks like, I am removing the PlastiDip out of my hood because I want my car to look a little bit normal again. Now, reason being, because I'm about to get today I actually have an interview at Benchmark Chrysler in Irondale, and there's some beautiful roads, a beautiful city, and I don't just want to look like some stupid kid who painted their hood black. So I'm just removing this stuff. Now, I'm really making this video to show you this stuff will really do you good. This is called Goo Gone, and this stuff really I was having so much trouble with this shit earlier. Let me show you. Now, I've been using this brush to actually help me out, and this brush was actually kind of hard to use at first. It took me 2 hours to actually get it to this point, but when I actually started using this Goo Gone right here, it just comes off easily. Check this out. This shit's coming off easily. All that effort that I put trying to peel this off one by one, I've literally done about an hour of work yesterday in just a couple of minutes. Goo Gone actually works. Look at this. I love this stuff. Whenever I want to PlastiDip my car again, I'm going to use this to get it off. Because, PlastiDip's not meant to be forever. This stuff actually works. Look at how much stuff I just got off that quickly. This is amazing. Now, I just want to tell you, this video is not sponsored. Unfortunately, I would love it to be, but I don't have enough subscribers to be sponsored. But here's a montage of me trying to get this shit off. Well, just about most of the shit's gone. Check this out. Almost most of it is gone. So I'm going to end this on a note. I'm going to take this to the car wash. I'm going to get this stuff pressure washed off. Hopefully that shit works and gets it extremely clean. But as you can see, that shit worked better than what it did yesterday. I mean, it's almost gone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little short clip of me getting this shit off. I hope you So please subscribe if you enjoyed the content. CB7 CB7 content should be coming back soon, and hope you guys are having a good day.